Good morning, all. Today we are going to analyze the poem When I Was Growing Up, written by Nellie Wong. Nellie Wong was born in Oakland, California on September 12, 1934, as the daughter of Chinese immigrants. As a teenager, she worked in her parents' Chinese restaurant, and after graduating high school, she took a job as secretary for Bethlehem Steel Corporation, where she worked until 1982. In her mid 30s, she began studying creative writing at San Francisco State University. During the Second World War, Japan bombed America's naval base at Pearl Harbor, and the Japanese Americans were evacuated to concentration camps. There is a poem prescribed for your study in this semester in these text signatures by the Japanese American poet Janice Miri Kitani. The poem is titled Breaking Silence, which details the sufferings and the dehumanization faced by the Japanese Americans during that time. Nellie Wong was not Japanese American, she was Chinese American. But it had a fearful and painful impact on Wong's family because there were lots of physical similarities between Chinese and Japanese people. Nellie Wong published her first book of poetry, Dreams in Harrison Railroad Park, in 1977. Wong's anthology of poetry includes The Death of Long Steam Lady, published in 1986, Stolen Moments, published in 1997, and Breakfast, Dinner, Lunch, published in 2012. She addressed issues such as feminism, immigration, and identity through her poems. Wong was also involved with Women Writers Union on campus, organizing programs on issues of race, sex, and class. She had a great adherence to Asian American culture, and her literary discourses discussed these identity issues at length. Wong, writing directly from her working life as well as from her family history, profoundly declared her feminist socialist perspectives. She wrote, "The more I see some people fighting back, the more I see everyone acquiring the strength to fight back." She delivered a series of lectures in the Radical Women's Conference, namely Women and Revolution Alive and Inseparable, which reflected her feminist ideologies. She considered the freedom of women as necessary as breath. The preaching of Wong reminds us the word personal is political. She was an advocate of revolutionary feminism and believed that women are not mere victims on the earth. Instead, they should fly with colors. Now, about the poem When I Was Growing Up. When I Was Growing Up is an autobiographical poem by Nellie Wong, which was published in 1973. In this poem, Wong emphasizes on the identity crisis experienced by the Chinese Americans, and thus it depicts the history of the poet and her family. The poem is composed in past tense. At the outset of the poem, the speaker describes her anxiety and desperation in a society that celebrates white beauty. When she grew up, she realized that it was white people who appeared in movies, magazines, and they were elevated as the so-called desirable women. It signifies that how the popular culture in America, dominated and manipulated by the white people, has cultivated these ideas of beauty by creating a wrong notion of being white. The notion of desirable white women is a creation of the white people for whom All other complexions, whether yellow or black, are ugly. The poet herself imagined as white and started to wear pale skin. The speaker narrates how she was trying to be adapted to the Western language and culture. She met white girls who wore imported cotton dresses and thought that she too should have these fortunes. When she grew up, she longed for the American food and style. The word hungered shows the intensity of her desire to imitate American whites' lifestyle. She began to hate yellow men and she felt ashamed of being with them, and their acts were considered as cultureless. When she grew up, people would ask about her nationality, and that made an identity crisis in her. She felt that her yellow skin was dirty and tried to wash it away. She says, I could not shed my skin in the grey water. She saw she would run away to somewhere unoccupied with yellow people. Wong concludes this poem with a note of self-realization about her identity. She reconciles herself with her Chinese American identity, thereby dismantling the stereotype of the Western notions of beauty. The poem, When I Was Growing Up, is written in the past tense. The notable aspects of the structure of the poem are the intended stanzas and very little usage of capitalization. There are some other techniques used in the poem like the rhetorical questions, repetitions, and imagery. The poem questions the universal representations of the Western ideals of beauty advertised in American popular culture. So that's all about the analysis of the poem When I Was Growing Up by Nellie Wong. Thank you.